Hexagonal close-packed structure. These are the outlines: HCP structure, atomic contribution in unit cell, number of atoms in unit cell, coordination number, atomic packing factor. Discussing structure briefly. HCP unit cell has atoms located at 12 corners of two hexagon, these green atoms, two faces of hexagons, top and bottom, these yellow atoms, and three atoms between top and bottom faces, these pink atoms. Atomic contribution in HCP unit cell. The corner atoms. Each atom of 6 corners of hexagon contributes 1 by 6 part, as shown. Similarly, face atoms. Each atom of the two faces contributes 1 by 2 part. One face is this and the other one is here at the bottom face, at bottom. The next is inner atoms. Inner atoms are completely inside the structure, therefore their contribution is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Number of atoms in HCP unit cell. It can be calculated by this formula. Here, as we know that there are 12 corners of two hexagons and every atom contributes 1 by 6 part. Similarly, two faces, atom at the center of two faces contributes 1 by 2 part, and the inner atoms are having contribution of 3. So if we simplify this, we get 6, which means that there are 6 atoms per unit cell of HCP structure. Coordination number. It is the number of neighbor atoms touching any given atom. And for HCP its value is 12 because each face atom touches 6 corner atoms and 6 inner atoms above and below the given plane. For example, this green atom is touching these 6 atoms, corner atoms, and these 3 above and 3 below inner atoms. So its coordination number is 12. Atomic packing factor. It is the ratio of volume occupied by atoms in unit cell to the volume of unit cell. It is written in mathematical form as this. Since volume of atoms can be calculated by number of atoms multiply volume of single atom, and the volume of unit cell can be calculated as area of a hexagon multiplied by height. Like this is hexagon, if its area is multiplied by this height c, we get volume of unit cell. Since in HCP there are 6 atoms, so we put 6 here. Atoms are in spherical form, so their volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Height is represented by c, this c. Area of a hexagon, let's say this is the hexagon, its area can be calculated by making 6 triangles inside, equilateral triangles inside this hexagon. So if we calculate area of one triangle and multiply 6 with it, we get area of hexagon. Here we see that this r, the value of r is a by 2. It can be seen from here. Similarly, what we have done is that the area of a triangle is calculated by 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. Like if this triangle is taken here, this is the height of the triangle, this is its base. And since it is equilateral triangle, so it is making 60-degree angle. So area of triangle is 1 over 2 base into height. It was inserted here. By simplification we get this and then this. The value of h can be calculated from this triangle by using sine ratio, which says that sine 60 is h divided by a. H and h can be calculated a multiplied by sine 60, which is inserted here. By simplification we get this. Here we see that c by a. This c by a is also calculated as 1.633. It is the fixed value. So 0.74 is the atomic packing factor, which is 74%. Thank you.